Hey there, Blade fans. This old sword is with you, and I want to share a kind of a pseudo unboxing because I already popped this thing open. But this came in, surprise to me, yesterday from the folks at Vosteed. Wasn't expecting anything, but we've got some Merry Christmas cheer in a box here from Vosteed. Look at that. And popped it open not knowing what it was, but I did see Vosteed on the box, and got all kinds of goodies inside. We've got this Merry Christmas. Almost can't get the whole thing in the picture here. Merry Christmas, Vosteed. It's kind of a placemat kind of a deal. So thank you for that. Arrived the day after Christmas, 2023. So what else have we got in here? It looks like a pouch with orange and black, and it also says Vosteed. Well, they got a lot of branding going on here on their little gifties. It's a cool thing. Not easy to do. Kind of a purse, kind of a pouch sort of EDC thing. So got some different pockets going different directions and some loops for attaching things. Thank you very much for that. And we've got a coaster, ceramic coaster with the Vosteed horse on there. Kind of like a chess piece sort of a deal. What do you call that? The knight? That's right. We've got more. We've got a Vosteed bag. Might have to do a giveaway with some of this stuff. What do you say? Just hit 8,000 subs, so that's cool. Took me a while. I'm really not, going after lots of subs, but if it happens, it happens. Stay sharp, stay wild. Vosteed, very cool. It's a big old tote bag. So should give that to the wife for grocery shopping, right? Stay wild. She might not come back. Tradition, innovation, and there is their nightshade knife that kind of got them started. Shinlin cutter. And what else have we got? Oh my God, more stuff. Real goodie bag. This looks like either a spinner or a pendant of some sort. There is a little hole through there. It's heavy. It's kind of like aluminum or something. It's not steel. So that I think, probably, could do this sort of thing with maybe. Or it is, a throwing star, a blunt throwing star. But probably some kind of a pendant. That's all I can figure. Comes in this little pouch. So we'll put her back in there. I won't spend too long with this. And we've got a nice sticker upside down. There we go. And finally, there's a NAF. There's a NAF in here. Look out. Did I already open it? Let's see. Yeah, that's sealed. I think I did already open it. All right. So cool. All that stuff and a knife. Nice pouch. There's no labeling. Oh. See, I'm wondering if it's the chipmunk knife because it looks like a little chipmunk. But I looked on their site and I couldn't find any knife called chipmunk. But we'll see what's in here. Nice microfiber cloth, and it's nice that they provide a pouch. Let's see if we can zoom in a little. All black G10, black clip, deep carry, reversible, and it's got kind of like a little, I don't know, like gingerbread man on there. Wonder if it is a Vosteed or not. There's Vosteed. That's got their name on it. And it is 14C. Thumb studs. And an interesting flipper. Look what's going on here. They got like, it's a front flipper, right? I can barely get that open. hand operation coming up soon. So if you see me with a splint on this hand in the future, that's what's going on. I'm going to do my best. This is kind of a forward hook protrusion as a back flipper. That's kind of neat. It actually works. It's not jimped or anything, but very easy to flip it. Very easy to open it with the thumb studs, double thumb studs. So I don't know what this knife is. It's not labeled. Could be the chipmunk. But thank you, Vosteed, for all of the goodies. We'll do kind of a homing in on this, whatever it is, knife. If anybody knows, let me know. And happy holidays to everybody. Happy New Year's coming up. Be well and stay tuned. This Old Sword, signing out.